Whatever you're gonna do.
Who's a good ducky? Who's a good ducky? Oh, come here. Quack, quack.
Quack.
Quack. Quack.
It's gonna bite you. Oh! Did you hear the sound it made?
Quack.
Oh God, you're gonna piss it off. It's gonna chase us out of here.
Who's a good ducky? Ah, that's a good duck. Yeah. Yeah. It's got like devil eyes.
It's gonna kill you.
Alright, I'm done with him.
Goodbye. Quack quack. Oh.
That one's even prettier.
No, it's not.
Is his eyes closed?
No.
That one's old.
Yeah. There's one back there. Why are we so into ducks?
You didn't even want to come in here.
Oh, look, a feather. It's pink. This is so fake.
This is new.
It's a speaker.
Yeah.
Don't fall in. Oh, look. It's a goose. It's coming right at us.
Where?
Right there, that thing.
Oh.
Okay. There's a lady in here ringing a bell.
She says it's time for dinner.
Oh.
Cool.
It's all.
He died.
He's going to get his dinner.
Oh, look at all these birds.
Look at that pink thing. He's ruining my video. What the hell?
There's the evil one with the red eyes.
No, that's not the evil one. That's in the house. What the fuck? I can't get out of this.
Stop the video.
Okay. It smells over here. Oh my God. Don't.
You saved my life.
I did save you. I reached out to save you.
You saved my wardrobe and my cell phone.
You probably wouldn't smell too good either if you fell in.
And then I give you a nice big hug.
Oh, I'd punch you. Something just dove under there, look. It's bubbles. Oh, now it's gone.
Liar.
I'm not lying. I thought this was going to be like fun birds, like ones that fly.
Why? Because there's a cage.
Yeah. Holy shit.
The ones that fly are in the birdhouse.
But there used to be a thing where you fed them. Okay, I'm turning this off.